look at the design. You will get full printed party wear and this kind of embroidered work. Look at this beautiful design, the beautiful pant design, and look at the firma of this pant. In regular market you can't get this bigger firma. Look at the size of this beautiful pant. And not only this, the dupatta is also premium and the rates are top most premium. The rate is only 600 rupees, in which you will get this kind of premium fancy party wear three pieces variety. Look at the beautifulness. Hello friends, welcome to DK Textile. If you want to purchase in bulk and sizes will be M to 6XL, then purchase this kind of three-piece variety. Minimum order is 10,000. This type of variety is the top trending variety right now. What is the reason? Reason is fabric. These are guaranteed cotton Roman fabric and this is original silk. With inside you will get this kind of inner, and look at the design. You will get full printed party wear and this kind of embroidered work. Look at this beautiful design and available in M to 6XL sizes. So yeah, in regular you will get 4 sizes, but in this variety you will get 8 sizes. Yes, there is a combo of 8 sizes: M, L, XL, double XL, triple XL, 4XL, 5XL and 6XL. So every bundle you will purchase, you will get multiple combo. Look at the designs available in this kind of Vatican work also. Look at the beautiful, and in the bottom you will get this kind of beautiful work, and here in the neck you have seen like there is a small booty work, and in the neck you will get this kind of proper work and available in full sleeves. Look at this beautiful sleeve. If you want to purchase this kind of varieties in wholesale, you can visit Surat also. Our shop is located in Surat. What is different as compared to regular market? You will get this kind of beautiful pant design, and look at the firma of this pant. In regular market you can't get this bigger firma. Look at the size of this beautiful pant. And not only this, the dupatta is also premium and the rates are top most premium. The rate is only 600 rupees, in which you will get this kind of premium fancy party wear three pieces variety. Look at the beautifulness of this. This is original more than 2.5 meter dupatta. And not only this, every bundle you will purchase this type of bundle to bundle you can purchase from DK Textile. In every bundle you will get this kind of sizes. Here only 4 sizes are there, but you will get same designs in surplus sizes also. So you also looking for the manufacturer or the wholesaler, you will get customization all options also. So boutique owner, shop owner, not only this, look at the one more beautiful thing, white dhaga work, white thread work three piece also launched by DK Textile. So look at the beautifulness, and this type of variety if you put in your counter, then it will be sold out like this, because customer will definitely love this type of variety. This is the pant and this type of multicolor dupatta. This is the contrast multicolor dupatta. Reason is that in this you will see that 3 threads are used, that why it is the contrast dupatta. This type of beautiful varieties was every day launched by DK Textile. Every day we launch this kind of beautiful premium 3 pieces sets. Look at this. This is the kurti and pant and dupatta. So you also want to purchase this kind of beautiful 3-piece sets. What are you waiting for? Our salesman number is given on the screen. You can connect with our salesman and get updates on this kind of variety. We have WhatsApp group also. COD facility is available, worldwide delivery, courier, transport. So what you want, everything was available on DK Textile. This was the 12-month running variety. So whenever you want to purchase, connect with our salesman, do video call and get purchasing. And you can visit here also, so you will get idea about kurti starting from rupees 90 only, 2 piece at 150 and 3 piece at 250 only. So you want to purchase with the cheaper prices, then don't go anywhere else. DK Textile will be the best place for you, because we manufacture this kind of beautiful variety. Look at this one more beautiful 2.5 meter digital print dupatta. And not only this, we have also beautiful color and design. You all see, these all are unique color. These are just sample. We have more than 40 plus color and design in this single variety. We have like this, we have 150 plus variety. So you also want to purchase with manufacturer who will give you many more variety, then purchase with DK Textile. DK Textile will be the best place for you. Look at this. Every variety has its unique color combination, sizes and design. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe our channel and get regular update on this and many more variety. Till that, see you in another video with one more variety. Thank you.